Yeah, see, people run the lights, man. Just can't wait. And this is the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro. And let me tell you, it's a great camera. Here, I'm Fish. I like that. I got my beginning done down right. Everybody's ready to get going. They got this stuff going. It's a nice, cold, chilly morning. And I really needed a hat. And I grabbed what I got. I misplaced my hat again. I know where it's at. I just didn't go get it. And I could have used an extra jacket. But spring is in the air. Yes, indeed. I wonder if I can name 10 things I love about the GoPro. And if I can name anything that I do not like, dislike, hate about the GoPro. We call it the pros and cons. I love the camera, grab it and go, works every single time. Subject tracking, excellent, works in low light. When I put it by the light, does a great job. The build quality, the screen, the large buttons, and the magnetic clip, the quality is excellent. The low light capability, including super night and making the camera jitter free, almost. The external mic with Bluetooth, two connections, including the DJI mic 3.5 millimeter and pass-through adapter, allowing more than two Bluetooth and regular mics hooked up. The ease of the interface going through the camera, having the format by swipe down and over to the left right there. And the camera brightness level of OLED screens. Again, a large front screen as well as a nice large back. The touch screen as well for the front and back. It is not 100% perfect, but it does operate excellent. 7, the battery life, unbelievable. Extra long, the endurance battery. Cannot complain, works in the extreme cold and the heat with less overheating, only depending on the person's use. 8, the internal storage, 64 gig of memory or 48 gig of memory. I can't remember, but let me tell you, at least you have internal storage with included SD card slot that you simply put in your own SD card and choose what you want to save, but not where. 10-bit HEVC container, compact, and a better file size for more videos to be put on your camera. That is number 9. And the last one, yes indeed, the price. $349.99 and on sale $329.99 in the spring of 2025. You cannot beat that price for the Action 5 Pro. Now, if I was to put the 10 cons of the camera, we don't have 720p in video. So that would be number 1. But it is in live stream and webcam mode. The second one, dual audio gain bar. I won't be putting this in there because everybody out there has the complaints on it. So I'd rather just do mine. Right now, I really can't think of anything truly bad about the camera. It works every single time I ask it to. I grab it and go. I don't enjoy, and I could say number three, the dimness of the camera going on standby when idling, when not recording, will shut off the front and back screen in a minute's time from 10 seconds on. That could be corrected. Font size. Sometimes fonts may be not big enough for some. To me, I like certain things to be a little bigger, like seeing when going through the settings and recording and seeing the bullet a little larger, more presentable. The hardness of the mode on button. We all know it's for depth, but it becomes quite hard and can be corrected if a slider was put in. I'm already up to 6. The trumpet lens flare during the nighttime in low light, as well as daytime of the actual hardware lens. As you can see, there is a light, and it does reflect into the camera. Am I up to 7 already? Default preset names of customs. We're not allowed to put our own name in. I don't know if you want to call that a con, but it is a con. I'm up to 8 or 9. HDR mode no longer available at all. And if I'm up to 10, yeah, what else can I say? I got that one right on the tip of my tongue. You can say face bracketing, skin tone, no longer available, fully automatic, and other minor details, bugs, and issues, and things that we all like or dislike. If I had to go over again my love and hate, pros and cons, likes and dislikes, I'm most sure I could come up with some of the same, most of the same, or different things of the camera that I like and dislike. There are many likes and dislikes out there, and people have an opinion of what they like or dislike of the camera. If it's an Insta360 Ace Pro 2, a GoPro Hero 13, or a DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro. And the one thing I really love about the camera, my background is not bokeh. It's nice, crisp, and clean. I love my DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro. I really do.